and welcome. Now, lately here at TopFX, we received a lot of questions from you traders asking, what do I need to know about CFD trading? So because of that, I'd like to take a moment to share with you the 5 basic rules every beginner CFD trader should know and apply before getting started. So let's get into it. Number 1, understand leverage. Understand how leverage affects your trading or what it is. CFD trading uses leverage, and this way it allows you with a smaller capital to enter into positions that you couldn't before. But with that comes elevated risk. So a beginner trader should understand how leverage works. Make sure you fully grasp how leverage works, what margin means, and the cost and risk involved before you start trading. Which brings us to number 2. Implement or infuse a robust risk management in your trading. Protecting your capital is paramount. Always determine how much you're willing to risk on each trade. Commonly, a small percentage of your trading capital, and with that, use stop loss orders to automatically limit potential losses. This structured approach helps manage risk even during volatile market conditions. Then, number 3, start small and practice with a demo account. Highly important. Beginning with a demo account helps you familiarize yourself with the platform functionality, market behavior, and your personal trading strategy without risking real money. Once you understand what's going on, start small with live trades. This gradually transitions you, helps you move to the next step to learn much better and much more aggressive market trading while preserving, safekeeping your capital. That brings us to number 4. Maintain discipline and continuously educate yourself. Emotions like fear and greed often leads to impulsive decisions. Cultivate discipline by adhering to your trading plan and continuously update your market knowledge and technical skills. The trading environment is dynamic, so staying informed and adapting strategies is key to longevity in the market. And then, number 5, last but not least, develop a detailed trading plan. Practical trading plan should outline your entry and exit strategies, risk-reward ratios, and overall money management rules. Stick to your plan consistently and avoid impulsive decisions driven by market noise or emotions. A clear plan also includes guidelines for when to take profits or cut losses. Remember, having no plan equals gambling. All of the aforementioned rules help protect your account from excessive losses, but also build a solid foundation for making rational, informed decisions as you progress in CFD trading. Thanks for watching and for taking an interest in CFD trading with TopFX. If you found this video helpful, hit like, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights. If you got any questions or topics you want us to cover, let us know. Drop a message on the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. My name is Neil from TopFX. See you soon.